In this video, I'll be showing you how to add the core network into your MetaMask wallet. First thing that I want you to do is to focus on these details, since we will be needing this for the core network. Next is to click this Ethereum mainnet, and then select the Add a Custom Network. Here you have to input these details, which I gave you earlier, which is the network name as core blockchain. So let's type that in. Now that we have finished typing in those needed things in the input box, we can now click the Save button. And there, as you can see, the core blockchain mainnet was successfully added, so let's switch on there. Then click this. And as you can see, we have added core network in our MetaMask. So that's how you can add core into your MetaMask, and thank you for listening.